How to bypass Roblox chat filter. The first things first is you need to do this method on an appropriate person. Now, just do not do this on a random person because your account might get banned. So the first thing you want to do is pull up your Roblox software, log into your account, and then join any game. Now, please be reminded that you can only do this method if you are the owner of the game or the server. Now, if you're owner of the server, what you'll be doing once you are currently on the game, all you have to do is press Control and then F9 all together. Now, since I'm not on my current game and this is not my server will not be visible here. I'm only seeing log and memory. If you're currently on your game, you'll be able to see server here. Now what you want to do is just press server and then you have to copy this script. Once you copy the script, all you have to do is to enter it under the server field. And then once you hit enter, you will be able to bypass the chat filter. So that's how to bypass Roblox chat filter.